During this video, we'll cover the replacement of the drive belt on the 2002 to 2003 Nissan Maxima. Once the car is jacked up, you want to go to the passenger side of the vehicle and remove these access panels. This could all be done with a basic ratchet and socket set. Once the access panel is removed, we have clear access to the drive belt. The next step here is to loosen the tensioner lock nut. You must make sure you do this first before you head to the top of the engine bay and loosen the idler pulley adjuster bolt. Next, you're going to move to the top of the engine bay and locate the idler pulley adjuster bolt. And in this case, we're just using a ratchet and socket set. This ratchet here has a sort of swivel head on the top just to get access to that bolt that might be necessary. And now once the idler pulley adjuster bolt is loosened, as you can see here, that takes all the tension off the belt. And basically all we're going to do is remove the belt from the pulleys and take a good look at them. If you want, take a picture or make sure you have a diagram handy so that when it's time to replace the belt, it goes on accordingly. Now once the belt is off, you just want to make sure that the size is correct. I bought this belt from the dealership, so this is an OEM belt, and as you can see there, it matched perfectly. And then we're just going to use our diagram or memory and route the belt back into place. Okay, and one last tip. When it is time to get the drive belt back onto these pulleys, what I found helpful was to route the drive belt onto all the pulleys and save the crankshaft pulley for last. And what I did was this bottom portion of the crankshaft pulley, I had the belt partially on it because it was so tight. And then what I did was I took a ratchet set, put it on the bolt in the middle of this crankshaft pulley, and I was able to turn that clockwise. So hopefully that was helpful. Make sure you check the tension on this belt when you're done with the job. There are various tools that you can use to do this on the web. You could also use a ruler and a straight plane. Just make sure you have the specifications handy when you're doing that. I hope this video was helpful, and as always, be safe.